How to turn off call waiting. Want to turn off call waiting on your Infinix Smart 10 Plus? If you don't want to receive another call notification while you're already on a call, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open phone settings. First, open the phone app on your Infinix Smart 10 Plus. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and then select Settings. Step 2. Open Carrier Features. Inside the phone settings, look for Carrier Features and tap on it to access your SIM-related calling options. Step 3. Select your SIM. Now tap on SIM selection and choose the Telenor SIM on which you want to enable call waiting. Step 4. Open Additional Settings. After selecting your SIM, tap on Additional Settings. Here, you'll find several options related to your network and calling features. Step 5. Turn off call waiting. Find the call waiting option and switch the toggle off. Call waiting will now be disabled on your selected SIM. That's it. Call waiting is now turned off on your Infinix Smart 10 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, follow for more simple and useful Android tips.